Let's tackle cleaning the entire house. Now, I don't know how dirty it's going to be. I don't know how clean it's going to be. We're just going to have to see. Now, if you're interested in some of the items that I use or some of the things that you see around my house, check the description for some of the links down there. This should be interesting. Let's get started.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Emptied out my soul. You've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and I'm old. Still can't fill the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done. past and our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? And I've called a priest, and I've called upon the highest of my dreams, and I go to sleep, I let them in, I'm holding on to you, oh, and the wind has turned.
Alright, the entire house is now clean. I feel really good about that. It is all nice and fresh and smells great. I love it when my house is all clean. I hope that that got you cleaning. Don't forget to check out some of these videos that I have picked out for you. And if you're wondering from the stuff that I used, check out down in the description for some of the links to some of the stuff that I use. Now on to the next project.